Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your WhatsApp on OPPO Find X9. Alright, the process is really easy. All we need to do is to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here on the main page, click on those three dots in the top right corner and open up the settings. Now find Chats, scroll down and click on Chat Backup. Okay, and now first let's begin with Google account. Let's tap on that and you can see that in my case currently this Google account is selected, and on that account, in the cloud of it, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore that backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here during the backup process. Of course, you can add new account if you click on add. Alright, down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is turned off. You can see that in my case I put it on the monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty convenient thing, and I simply don't need to remember about making it manually. You can pick between those possible modes. I'll stick to the monthly in my case. Let's also include the videos in our backup, make sure it's enabled, and on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. It's not necessary to turn it on, it's like an extra security feature. If you turn it on, you'll be able to create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your backup. But be aware that if you create that password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore your chats. So it's up to you. Just like I'm saying, it's not necessary to turn it on to create a backup. Make sure that you have some free Google storage space right in here. And now click on backup. Alright, and now the backup has been successfully created. As you take a look on the last backup and the hour, they are the same. So everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.